Good news for pre 19-14 EPS pensioners getting pension from EPFO. रीजनल ऑफिस शिमला 5 अप्रैल सन 2023 का यह महत्वपूर्ण अपडेट है. Dear friends, as you all know that the higher pension for only the petitioner of R.C. Gupta cases HPTDC pre 1/9/2014 retirees had been restored, but it has been reliability learned today that the higher pension of even non-R.C. Gupta case petitioner, that is, who were being paid higher pension as per the EPFO headquarter circular on 23/3/2017 and whose higher pensioners had been stopped with effect of January 2023 onwards has now been restored and credited the same for 3 months, that is January, February and March. Let us hope better senses prevails in the officers of the other regional officers too. यानी जिसका जिसका हायर पेंशन नहीं मिल रहा था उन सभी को मिलना शुरू हो गया रीजनल ऑफिस शिमला में. अब उम्मीद की जा रही है अदर ऑफिस में भी इस तरह से कुछ क्रियान्वयन या घटनाक्रम हो जिससे कि हर किसी को हायर पेंशन का लाभ मिल सके.